Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about the image formation by the convex lens. Here we have in the class we have discussed the first case where the object is placed at infinity and whose image is formed at the focus. Similarly, the nature of image is highly diminished, formed at the focus, and it should be real and inverted. Now, second case is when object is placed at 2f या फिर beyond 2f, when object is placed beyond 2f, तो इस केस में we have to draw the image formation and then also discuss about the nature of image formed by the convex lens. So first of all we will go through the image formation using ray diagram. So this is a convex lens. This is the principal axis. This is optical center. This is f on both sides of the lens. This is 2f. Similarly, both sides of the lens. And this is the case when object is placed beyond 2f. So, this is the object. We place this object beyond 2f. Now we have to draw the image formation. So, first of all, first ray will be drawn parallel to the principal axis, and as we all know that this ray will passes from the focus after reflection. So this is incident ray. This incident ray is parallel to principal axis, and this ray will passes from the principal focus. This is the first refracted ray, and second ray will we will pass through it through optical center. So this is our incident ray, and the incident ray which is passing from the optical center goes undeviated. This will also discuss in our class. So here these two rays are intersecting, therefore we can say this is the image formed by the convex lens. Now closely look at the image, the position of image. What is the position of image? This image is formed between f and 2f. And what is the size? Size की बात करें तो you have to compare the size of image with the size of object. Here the size of object is this one and size of image is this one. We can clearly see that the image formed by the convex lens in this case is diminished. So nature of image. Nature of image, first one is real and inverted. Second one is formed between f and 2f on the other side of lens. And last one is diminished image. Diminished image. So this is the nature of image. So this one is the second topic where we have discussed about the image formation of object when it is placed between beyond 2f. So this is the nature of image is real and inverted, formed between f and 2f, and obviously this is the diminished image. Now the third one is, I hope you आप भी नोट करेंगे और प्रॉपर नोट्स आप बनाएंगे इसका. Third one is when object is placed at 2f. तो उसके लिए हम रे डायग्राम बनाएंगे बेटा दोबारा से. ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस करेंगे हम एग्जैक्टली 2f पे, सॉरी हाँ 2f पे प्लेस करेंगे and then we will discuss its ray diagram and nature of image. Similarly, this is focus, this is convex lens, and now the object is placed at 2f. This is our object. It is placed at 2f. This is principal focus. This is also principal focus. This is also 2f. Now, first ray will passes. First incident ray we will take should be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will passes from the principal focus. This is our refracted ray. And second ray we will pass from the optical side. This is our incident ray, and as we all know that the incident ray which is passes from the optical center goes undeviated. So it is its refracted path. Now exactly the image is formed. Here two rays are meeting to each other, or we can say these are intersecting to each other. This is the image. Exactly formed at 2f. And size is equal to the size of object. And nature of image की बात करें तो real or virtual, it is a it is a real image, and because this is a inverted image, so we can say nature of image is real and inverted, formed at 2f, and size equal to the size of object. So this is the third case when object is placed at 2f, then the image is exactly formed at 2f on the other side of the convex lens. The nature of image is real, inverted, same size of the object, and exactly formed at the 2f. So this is the third case. Now fourth case is when object is placed between f and 2f. Object is placed between f and 2f. तो इसके लिए फिर से रे डायग्राम बनाएंगे बेटा. So this is the optical center. This is principal focus, both sides of the lens, and similarly this is 2f. Now this part is telling that the object is placed between f and 2f. So this is the object placed exactly between f and 2f. So its ray diagram, first ray will pass parallel to the principal axis, whose refracted path will passes from the focus. So this is our refracted ray, and second ray will passes from the optical center. So this is incident ray and this is undeviated path as the ray is passing from the optical center. So you can say these two rays are intersecting exactly at this point. So we can say this is the image. So what is the image? Nature of image? It is real and inverted, and the size is magnified as compared to object, and where is the position? It is formed beyond 2f. So nature of image, real and inverted, formed beyond 2f, and size is magnified image. Magnified image. So this one is our case fourth, when object is placed between f and 2f. I hope students ये आपको clear हो रहा हो, because we have read some rules about the reflection through the convex lens. Let me remind these rules. First rule we discussed in the class is that the ray which is parallel to principal axis will passes from the focus. ये रूल हम हर जगह यूज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. सेकंड रूल जो हमने क्लास में डिस्कस किया था वो ये था, the incident ray whose path is passing from the optical center goes undimmed. पाथ अनडिवाइडेड रहेगा, ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. तो स्टूडेंट्स यही दो रूल्स इन सारे रे डायग्राम में यूज हो गए. तो अगर आपको ये रूल्स ध्यान नहीं है तो आप जरा एक बार कॉपी खोल के इसे रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, और जब रिवाइज हो जाए तो आप यहाँ पे आके वीडियो कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. नाउ फिफ्थ केस इज व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट एफ. एट एफ मतलब प्रिंसिपल फोकस पे इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करेंगे. Then we will discuss about the image formation using ray diagram. So this is the image. Sorry, this is the convex lens, principal axis, this is optical center, it's f, 2f, f, 2f. The object is placed at f. This is our object placed at f. Now first ray is parallel to principal axis whose refracted path passes from the principal focus, and the second ray will pass from the optical center and goes undeviated. Now you can see that these two refracted rays are parallel to each other, so they never intersect each other in front of the mirror and behind the mirror. So we can say these images, these rays are meeting virtually really at infinity. So we can say हम एज्यूम करेंगे कि ये इमेज, ये रेस कहाँ मीट करेंगी, एग्जैक्ट इन्फिनिटी में मीट करेगी. तो अगर ये रेस इन्फिनिटी में मीट करेगी तो इमेज भी कहाँ पे बनेगी, इन्फिनिटी पे. साथ में जो नेचर ऑफ इमेज होगा वो रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड हो सकता है. एंड बात करें साइज की, तो साइज काफ़ी हाईली मैग्नीफाइड होगा. तो यहाँ पे हम इसका रियल नेचर ऑफ इमेज इस्तेमाल करेंगे, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. सेकेंड फॉर्म कहाँ हो रही है, फॉर्म्ड at infinity, and last one is where size is highly magnified. So this is the nature of image. This is a ray diagram and this is the nature of image when object is placed at focus. So these are the five places where object has been placed. Now the last one is when object is placed between optical center and focus, O and F. Convex lens, optical center, focus, यहाँ पे 2f की जरूरत नहीं है इंडिकेट करने की, अच्छा हो तो इंडिकेट कर सकते हो. So object is placed between two and so this is the object. This object which is placed between exactly O and F. So its ray diagram. First ray is parallel to principal axis, whose refracted path passes from the principal focus. Now the second ray we will pass from the optical center, whose path remains undeviated. Now, as you can see that these rays are diverging. So, we will produce them virtually in backward direction. या स्टूडेंट स्केल से इजीली करेंगे तो अच्छे से बनेगा फिगर ये। मैं बिना स्केल के कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, तो आप स्केल का मैं यूज करेंगे तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। So these rays are meeting at this point, but these are not real rays, these are virtual rays. We have to produce these rays backward to intersect them at a point, so these are virtual rays. So this is the ray diagram. As you clearly see that this is the only case where we got an erect image. And as you all know that the erect image is always virtual, so the nature of image we can say that first one is virtual and erect. Second one, where it is formed? It is formed on the same side of the object. Formed on the same side of the object. And what is the size of image? As you can see that in the figure, this image is magnified. So nature of image is magnified. So students, these are the 6 cases where we can place object in front of convex mirror, convex lens, and different types of images can be formed at different locations and of different size. So I will revise that. First of all, we place object in front of the lens and exactly placed at infinity. This is the first case. When object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at f, which is real and inverted and highly diminished. The second case is when object is placed beyond 2f. So in this case, when object is placed beyond 2f, the image is formed between f and 2f, and the size of image is diminished, and nature of image is real and inverted. Now third case, when we place object at 2f. So in this case, the image is formed on the other side of lens exactly at 2f. The size is same as that of the object, and this is the third case. The fourth case is when object is placed between 2f and f. So in this case, the image is will shift it beyond 2f. The size of image is magnified. The nature of image is real and inverted. Now the fifth case is when object is placed at f. When object is placed at f, the image is formed at infinity, and the nature of image is real and inverted, and size is highly magnified. And last case, when object is placed between optical center and principal focus, This is the only case where we get a virtual image, virtual and erect image, and it is magnified image. So this is all these 6 cases of convex image, convex lens image formation. Now we have another lens which is concave lens. So concave lens के लिए भी हम एक फिगर बना लेते हैं. Image formation for a concave lens. This is the topic. Image formation for a concave lens. So here only 2 cases comes. First case, when object is placed at infinity. When object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at the focus. ये हमने जब हमने इसका प्रिंसिपल फोकस डिस्क्राइब किया था तभी देखा था. तो इस केस को हम डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट, ये बहुत इजी है, ये हमने क्लास में डिस्कस कर लिया है. सो सेकंड केस जो इसका होगा उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो सपोज दिस इज अवर ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड एनीवेयर, कहीं भी प्लेस करो, कहीं भी प्लेस करो आप इसको, कहीं भी मतलब इन्फिनिटी छोड़ के, बाकी आपसे कहीं भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं. इसके एक ही केस होगा इमेज को, वो देखते हैं कैसे. This is the optical center O. This is our object. So first incident ray is parallel to principal axis. Now this is not a convex lens. This is a concave lens, and this concave lens is also known as diverging lens because it diverges the light falling on it. So as we discussed in the class, it appears to be diverged from the focus. So this is a diverging lens. इस लाइट को diverge करते हैं and it will appear that this refracted ray is diverged from this point, which is called focus. Now second case, when the ray is directed towards optical center. So this is the incident ray passing from the optical center whose refracted path goes undeviated. So where these two rays are meeting, intersecting, these two rays are intersecting exactly at this point. So this is the image formation. So what is the nature of image? First one is virtual and erect. Second, formed कहाँ पे हो रही है? It is formed between optical center and O. तो formed between F and O. And last one is side. The side is diminished. So देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल है. Whenever you place the object in front of the convex concave lens, except infinity, अगर आप object को infinity place करेंगे, then image is formed at the principal focus. But this is the exception. Now for all the other cases, object is placed, whatever you place the object, the image is always formed between optical center and the principal focus, and the image is virtually erect and diminished. So this is all about the image formation by the convex lenses and concave lens. So in the next class we will discuss about the magnification produced by the lens, as we will discuss it on the mirror chapter, and then we will discuss about the lens formula. In previous chapter we will discuss about mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is mirror formula. And what is the magnification produced by a spherical mirror? It is always the size of image upon size of object, or minus v upon minus v. These terms are related to the spherical mirrors. This is mirror formula. This is the मैग्निफिकेशन प्रोड्यूस बाय द मिरर. इसमें हमने काफी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हुए हैं, न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व किए हुए हैं. अब हम लेंस से कैसे आएंगे स्टूडेंट्स, ये हम कल पढ़ेंगे. पर फिर भी आपको थोड़ा बता देता हूँ। लेंस की हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे लेंस फॉर्मूला यूज होगा, एंड लेंस फॉर्मूला इज 1/f इज इक्वल टू 1/v माइनस 1/u। देखिए ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं है, जो मेरा फॉर्मूला था उसी में आपको यहाँ प्लस के बदले माइनस लेके आना है, दिस इज द ओनली चेंज। एंड सेकंड वन इज द इमेज magnification produced by the lenses. So this formula will remain same. The magnification produced by the lenses is defined as the ratio of size of image to the size of object. तो h2 में size of image लिया था पहले भी, अभी भी सेम लेके चलेंगे, and h1 is the size of object which is equal to v upon u. v is image distance and u is object distance. So here is negative sign in case of spherical mirrors, and when we goes to the lenses this is becomes positive, it's v upon u. So इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे कल। तो आपका आज का काम ये है कि आप ये नोट्स प्रॉपर बनाएंगे जो आज हमने पढ़ाया है क्लास में, और इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट खींच के आप मुझे सेंड करेंगे मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे। थैंक यू।